Start that again. Good Friday morning, guys. What's happening now is I'm going to build up the bedside cabinets for the guest bedroom. So get them built up, and then a couple of little bits of finishing bits, which I'm hoping Michelle will do eventually, and that room will be finished. Yeah, took a while. Okay guys, my work is over. Got the tables, the bedside tables are in, the bed's built up. I've left this off because I've got a picture to hang up here. Michelle can do that. Now the bedside tables are a little bit tight, but they're fitted in just, so as long as they don't get moved about, should be okay. Now I'm going to go on and connect my Philips Hue lights to the apps, and that's me done. Hi guys, it's time to go and pick Michelle up. I dropped her off this morning because we were going to go into town, but we decided to go tomorrow instead and just have an easy night of it, easy evening, watch something, go to a chip shop, get a chip supper, something, probably steak pie supper actually, that's what I fancy, with curry obviously. Because I've got bread to make butties, so steak pie supper, chips and curry butties, that's what I'm going for. Anyway, I better shut up now, stop waffling, stick the cruise control on and get off and pick Michelle up. I'm a little bit late, I'm kind of 35 minutes late, but she asked me to come late, so we'll see if she's ready. Anyway, let's go for the ride. Okay guys, it's time to go out to town because Michelle wants to go and look at wool. Started knitting again, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
So why did you stop knitting?
Because of my bum wrist.
Because she's got a bum attached to her wrist. She's got a sore wrist. What is it? Carpal? Not carpal.
De Quervain's tendinosynovitis.
Sore wrist in English. Yeah. So she can't do too much of it. But she decided to try and pick away at it again, haven't you? Anyway, let's go for the ride to town.